To create a new Beacon account, you will go to beaconapp.newhope.com and land on this page, login, sign up. You'll click on sign up and fill in the details here. Here you'll put your company and company website, select who you are and your job type, and that's it. We'll create your account for you. The next step would be to choose an ingredient template that aligns with your store's standards. And you can select the standard one, which is our recommendation. All products on Beacon meet the New Hope standards, but if your store is more strict, you want to look through these two to see, based on the category you buy for, what would be eliminated if you chose those templates. But you can always do this one, save and continue, and browse Beacon, and you can change that later in your profile section here. And that's how you create a new Beacon account.